We're on a boat. Oh my gosh. Happy Father's Day. Those cuties up there. Casey rented a boat for us for Father's Day, which is very nice of him. we got a surfboard, wakeboard, and tube. I feel like the tube's gonna get the most use. We'll see. We're brave. Can't do anything, but it's still fun. It's still fun to be on the boat. It's so beautiful. Look at this. Wow.
What's up, guys?
Wow. What's up, buddy? Hey, you. Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
Are you gonna too?
You like my pictures?
Love
Mom,
your-
I want
love
to
the
see what they
pigtails.
look like.
Okay.
I love them, Mommy. And Dad, you like my life jacket?
Packing up, heading out. This is so beautiful. This house we stayed in, it's like a condo, but it's super cute. Look at these doors. This is where like the master bedroom was and the kids' bedroom. Cutie! Are you guys ready? We're all a little bit sad today. This was such a fun vacation. And the older kids slept upstairs. Anyways, so cute. And now we're going to see some waterfalls and do a little more exploring before we have to get home. Which way should I go? Oh no, this. Wow. I mean, what? So beautiful. Okay, let's walk over there. Bye, everyone. How you doing, Bray Bray? Good. Where did Gage go? Gage, don't go anywhere where you can fall.
If we slip, we are done.
Yeah, if you slip, you are donezo.
Great, come on.
I was hiking with my torn ACL. Just kidding, it's not torn anymore. It's a pretty waterfalls. We're going through bushes that there's snakes. I'm probably gonna get my sunburn scratched because my legs are burnt.
We made it back home, and Winston's been counting down the days because he ordered this spine ninja kit. I just got it on Amazon. He loves spine ninjas. And he's been wanting this mask and I couldn't figure out what he wanted. Finally, we got it figured out. And it was supposed to come today. So he's been counting down the days. And it is here. Where is he? He's being a super ninja. Winston! Look at this guy.
Hi, Rosie. We got Rosie too. Hi, girlfriend.
So awesome. Did you trick Dad? You look beautiful.
I am Barbie.
Hi, Barbie. You tricked Dad? We're gonna make some s'mores. We were hoping that we could roast marshmallows where we stayed, but we could not. So we're making some s'mores in the oven. You ready?
Guys, look.
Such cute hair, Layla, serious. Love the pigtails.
And look.
Love the necklace. I love it all. Oh yeah, sparkly. Okay, we'll show you how we're gonna make these s'mores.
Guys, let's try to open.
Super easy. Yeah, you can open them. I'll get the pan. Okay, of course you need graham crackers. Oh, we're gonna break them. Did you get them opened up?
Oh, I can't.
You can't? You need some help?
I can use scissors.
Oh yeah. Use the green ones, good girl. And some chocolate. We accidentally bought this special dark chocolate, but it's actually really good.
Yeah. I don't think it's disgusting.
You don't think it's disgusting?
Mom, Daddy got into the pouch.
I know. Why didn't you guys get me? I didn't know.
Oh, we.
I'm gonna do 3 on each. Or 2, or 1, whatever, however much you want. Actually,
Mom,
3 seems like a lot
next
for
time
most of
you
these.
go,
These ones are a
you
little
got-
longer.
You can come with.
Oh yeah, that would be nice to be invited.
And guys, you can come too. Hey, you can come too. Don't forget to like it and try and go visit spiders. It's actually a real good show. We like slime and then we like it.
I don't like a ton of chocolate on mine. Okay, you ready? Come over here. Okay, put a marshmallow on each one.
What?
What? We just have the oven on broil. Nice outfit, Layla. Layla had an outfit change. No, it, you stinker.
It's good.
One more. And then we'll pop them in the oven and get our other graham crackers ready to put on top.
Marshmallow.
Let's see that smile. It's a chocolatey smile.
No chocolate is
I know you can microwave these too, but this is yummy because it just gives like more of a campfire, I don't know, little crispiness to the marshmallows, I guess.
This was my idea.
I know it was. You cutie. We had some tacos, some street tacos for dinner, our favorite. Layla had a quesadilla.
I like pickles the most.
You like pickles the most? I think they're about ready. Okay, Layla, back up. Back up, back up. Ooh, they smell so good.
Yeah.
They look really good. So I broiled them on high because we were impatient. You could also broil them on low.
Guys, look.
And then
I love them.
maybe, I don't know. Maybe you could turn them,
Guys.
but this is great. Nice job. Okay, now we're gonna place
I want to
the
put
top
one
on.
on.
Woohoo! Yeah, go ahead. Be super duper careful because the pan is still hot. Nice. Yeah, well, they're still warm. Gotta smush them together. Look at all that chocolate. Nice. Layla, here's the last one. Okay, be very careful. Good. Okay. S'mores are ready. I mean, that looks pretty perfect. And they're nice and crispy. And just how we like them. I actually really like when they're like a little burnt like that. We have some s'mores. Does anyone want s'mores?